Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create a coupon code on Shopify. Creating coupon codes for your customers is a great way to create incentives. Coupon codes can be shared via promotional emails, sent to your email list via social media, or through other outlets where you can reach your current and potential customers. Things such as offering free shipping, 15% off, or other deals can be a great strategy to attract customers. Shopify makes it easy to create coupon codes, so today we'll go over the different options available. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, you'll go to Discount, then select Create Discount on the upper right-hand corner. You will see the option to create discount code or an automatic discount. The discount code option will allow you to create a coupon code that customers will then have to enter to receive the discount. For the automatic discount option, the discount you will have set up will automatically show up in their shopping cart. Let's first create a discount code. The first thing we will do is enter the code that customers will have to use at checkout. For example, let's use Jelly15. When creating a coupon code, Shopify offers a few different options. We can first select the type of discount, whether it's a percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, or a buy X and get Y. Depending on the option we select, the fields will change below. Let's first go over the percentage option. This means that we can select a certain percent off of any order. In the discount value section, let's enter 15. This means that anyone who uses the code will get 15% off their next order. Next, we have the option of selecting what this discount applies to. We can select all products, which means this applies to the full order. If you want to select a specific collection or products, you can select these options instead. For example, let's say we only want to offer 15% off dresses. Select specific collections and then search for the collection. You can add multiple collections as well. You also have the option of selecting specific products by selecting the specific products option and then searching for the products that qualify. In the minimum requirements section, you can select if customers need to spend a minimum amount or purchase a specific quantity of items. For this example, let's say the customer has to spend at least $50 to receive the discount. Keep in mind, you do have the option of selecting none, which means that there isn't any minimum requirement. For customer legibility, you can select who can use this coupon code. The most common option is everyone, but you can limit to a specific group of customers. This means if you have your customer list tagged in different groups, such as VIP members, you can have the code only work for them. For the specific customers option, you can select which customers can use the code. For both of these options, customers must already have a customer account in your shop. Next up is the usage limit option. Here, we can limit how many times a coupon code is used in total. Let's say you only want this coupon code to be used 10 times. You will select this option and enter 10. You can also limit how many times someone uses a code. By selecting Limit to 1 use per customer, this means that a customer must create an account to use a coupon code and can only use it once. In the Active Dates section, you can select when you want the coupon code to start and also if it will end. Let's say this is a coupon code for a Cyber Monday sale. You can have the code set up ahead of time and set it to start on that Monday and end at night. If it's an ongoing coupon, then you don't have to make any changes to this area. When you are done setting your coupon code, you'll be able to see the summary over on the right-hand side. Make sure to review things so that you can confirm that the settings are correct. If you are happy with your coupon code settings, just save your changes and you're all done. But let's go back to the type of coupons to discuss the other options and different settings available for those. For the fixed amount option, you will have all the same settings available. The only thing that changes is the discount value area. Instead of percentage amount, here you can include a fixed value. Let's say we're offering $10 off any purchase, then you will just enter 10 here. Next is free shipping. This will now show us a section titled Countries. Here you can select what countries will qualify for this offer. You can select all countries or click selected countries and then select them in the search box. For the buy X and get Y option, you can create an incentive to get customers to purchase a specific item or items for a specific collection and receive something else at a discounted value. For example, let's say anyone that buys a dress from the shop can get a free shirt. In the customer buy section, I will enter 1 for quantity and then select specific collections and search for dresses. Then in the customer gets section, I will enter 1 for quantity and then select specific product and search for the item. I want customers to get the item for free, but you can also have the option of selecting a percentage for the discount. You can then select the amount of uses per order. Let's set it to 1. Always make sure to check the summary area so that you can make sure you selected all the settings for your coupon code. If you're happy with your coupon code settings, just save your changes and you're all done. Now let's discuss the automatic discount option. To create one, select Create Discount and select Automatic Discount. As previously mentioned, with automatic discounts, customers won't have to input a coupon code. Once a customer meets the requirements for the discount, it will automatically appear in their cart. First, enter the name of the promotion. Keep in mind that customers will see this name appear in the checkout process. The rest of the settings are the same as we originally discussed. Select the type of discount you want to offer and fill out the rest of the settings. Save your changes once you're done. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our Shopify how-to videos. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.